Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today we dive straight into 12 essential words about chatting with neighbors. Let's go.
Awkward silence with the neighbor again.
Oh no, not again. Let's practice this. You and I are neighbors. We are at the mailboxes.
Okay, I can do this. I'll be Mark. And you're Sarah.
Perfect, let's try. Action!
As Mark. Hello. You must be my new neighbor.
As Sarah. Yes, I am. I just moved in. I live right next door.
Oh, cool. Welcome to the building. I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Sarah. It's nice to finally say hi.
Yes, same here, so nice weather today, right?
It's very nice. I hope it stays like this for the weekend.
Me too. Well, have a good day.
You too. It was good talking with you.
See, I made some small talk. It was a bit awkward, but I did it.
You did. We can stop the scene there. That was great.
It felt so real. I get nervous making small talk in real life, too.
Lots of people do. You just used 4 great words. Let's look at them.
Okay, what was the first one?
The first was neighbor. That's spelled N-E-I-G-H-B-O-R.
A neighbor is a person who lives near you, on your street or in your building.
That's right. For example, my neighbor is a very kind woman.
Or you could say, we invited our new neighbor for dinner.
A lovely idea. Just remember the key is silent. It sounds like neighbor.
It is a hard word for learners. I always tell my sister Mia.
Yes, it is tricky. The next phrase was next door. That's N-E-X-T and D-O-O-R.
This means in the house or apartment right beside yours. It's very close.
That's right. The people who live next door have a new baby.
Oh, like my real-life situation. I hear the baby crying sometimes.
Oh, or I'm going next door to see my friend.
Easy enough. I feel like my morning coffee hasn't started working yet.
Then our third phrase will be easy. It was say hi. S-A-Y and H-I.
This just means to greet someone, to say hello.
Yes. For example, I always say hi to my neighbor in the morning.
Or don't be shy, go and say hi to them.
It's a small thing, but it's very friendly. Unlike my cat, Biscuit, in the mornings.
And the last one was small talk, S-M-A-L-L and T-A-L-K.
Small talk is polite conversation about simple things, like the weather.
That's my go-to topic. We made small talk while we waited for the elevator.
It's very common. Another example. I'm not good at small talk at parties.
Same for me. I always feel like I should be at the gym instead.
Okay, let's try another scene. A few days have passed. We are neighbors. I see you outside.
Got it. I'm Mark again. You're Sarah. Action.
As Sarah. Hi, Mark. Are you okay? You look like you need some help.
As Mark. Oh, hi, Sarah. I'm trying to clean my windows, but my ladder is broken.
Oh no, that's not good. I have a ladder. You can borrow it if you want.
Really, that would be great. Thank you so much.
Of course. I'm happy to lend it to you. Anything to help out a neighbor.
Thank you. I'll bring it back in an hour.
No rush at all. Just bring it back today.
I will. And hey, I'm going away this weekend.
Oh, okay. Have a great trip.
Thanks. Could you maybe just keep an eye on my apartment for me?
Of course. I can get your mail too if you like.
That would be perfect. Thanks, Sarah.
And scene. See? Now you're helping each other.
I think that went much better. I felt more comfortable.
It sounded much more comfortable. Let's talk about those 4 new words.
Okay, the first one was to borrow. B-O-R-R-O-W.
To borrow means you take something from someone. You use it for a time. You plan to give it back later.
Yes. For example, can I borrow a pen, please? I say that all the time.
I used to hear that a lot as a teacher. Or, he borrowed a book from the library.
Now, the next one is the opposite. To lend, L-E-N-D.
Yes. To lend means you give something to someone. They use it for a short time. You expect them to give it back.
So, Sarah lent a ladder to Mark. Or, my dad will lend me his car.
That's a good dad. Another example. I can lend you some money if you need it.
That's a very good friend. Okay, what was the third one?
Help out. That's H-E-L-P and O-U-T.
This just means to help someone. It is a friendly way to say it.
That's right, like, my brother will help out with the party.
Or, thanks for helping out today. It's something I say at the gym a lot.
Oh, that's interesting. I just say it to my teacup when it's empty.
Ha! And the last one from that scene was keep an eye on.
Yes, this means to watch something or someone. You do it carefully. You want to keep it safe.
Like, can you keep an eye on my bag for a minute?
Perfect example. Or, I asked my neighbor to keep an eye on my house.
Which is just what happened in our little play.
It was. Okay, time for our last scene. Let's make it a happy one.
It's 1 week later. We're both outside our apartments.
Yes, maybe we're on the little patio area outside the front door.
Okay, I can picture it. Ready when you are. Action!
As Sarah. Mark, good morning. It's so nice to see you.
As Mark. Sarah, you too. Thanks again for the ladder last week.
Oh, it was nothing. How was your trip? We should catch up properly.
It was great, thanks. And yes, we should. I feel like we only talked for a minute or two.
I know. You seem very friendly. I'd love to hear about your travels.
You too. You're always so nice when we meet.
Oh, look. There's my bus coming down the street.
As Mark waving, okay, I'll wave to you from my porch.
As Sarah waving back. I'll wave back. Let's talk again soon.
For sure, have a good day and scene.
Oh, that was so nice. They're friends now.
Yes, it just takes a little bit of effort and a broken ladder.
Let's look at our final 4 words. The first one was catch up. C-A-T-C-H and U-P.
To catch up means to talk to someone. You have not seen them for a while. You share your news with them.
Yes. Let's get a coffee next week and catch up.
That's a great example. Or, It was so nice to catch up with my old friends.
It's a very warm and common phrase, just like our next word, friendly. Friendly.
Friendly just means being kind and pleasant to other people.
That's right. Our new neighbors are very friendly.
I try to be friendly, even when I'm stuck in traffic. It's hard sometimes.
I can imagine. Our third word was wave. W-A-V-E.
A wave is when you move your hand to say hello or goodbye.
That's right. He saw me across the street and he gave me a big wave.
Or, I always wave to my neighbor when I leave for work.
It's another small kind action. Okay, last word for today. It's porch. P-O-R-C-H.
A porch is a small area at the entrance of a house. It sometimes has a roof.
Yes. We like to sit on our porch in the evening.
My parents have a great porch. We have barbecues there.
That sounds lovely. My cat Biscuit loves sitting by the window. That's his porch.
Ha, perfect. Okay, I think we have covered a lot today.
We have. Are you ready for a quick review? A lightning round?
I am. I've had my coffee. I'm ready. Let's do it.
Okay, I'll give you the meaning. You give me the word or phrase.
Got it. Hit me.
A person who lives near you.
A neighbor.
To give something to someone for a short time.
To lend.
Good. Polite conversation about unimportant things.
Small talk.
Yes, to watch something to make sure it's safe.
To keep an eye on something.
Great. The area outside the front door of a house.
That's a porch.
Moving your hand to say hello.
To wave.
Last one. To take something from someone and plan to return it.
To borrow.
Yes, you got all of them. And I bet you at home did too.
You did a great job today. Talking to neighbors isn't so scary.
It really isn't. A small hello can make a big difference.
That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive.